Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs, and just wanted to remind you that today, Sunday, May the 27th at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we will be presenting another Stephen and Walter live. Well, that is if Walter will get out of the bedroom before your mind goes that way. He's painting. We've started the decorating process, I guess, if you want to call it that. And when I say we, I mean Walter has started it. So he's got 2 coats of paint on yesterday on the bedroom wall, and he's doing the trim today. It's looking pretty good. I'll take a little bit of video of that, but I'll probably show that in my vlog. But anyways, we haven't got a lot to talk about today, so I'm hoping that maybe you have some things you'd like to discuss with us. So don't be afraid, just get right in there today and ask away whatever you want to ask, or make comments about whatever you want to make comments about, and we'll talk from there. So hope to see you then. So that's today, Sunday, May 27th at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. See you then. Have a good day. Bye-bye.